melawai.
Mr. President, how are you? Very well, thank you, sir.
He's a graduate of Norwich, my cabinet secretary.
Good
to see you, man.
Thank you.
Mr. President, very kind of you, great honor.
I'll just meet with my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you? How are you, sir?
honored to meet you.
How are you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
Thank you very much for receiving me.
Yeah, I'll see you. Nice to meet you.
Mr. President, how are you? Very well, thank you, sir.
He's a graduate of Norwich, my cabinet secretary.
Good to see you, man. Thank you. Honored as ever been. And today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership. First, in my view, by advancing free and open Indo-Pacific with ASEAN at its center. As two of the largest democracies in the world, it seems to me our nations have a special responsibility in this vision. Second,
I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my